health, fitness, and meal planning. ChatGPT can help you plan meals for the course of a week, a month, or even several months. Help you identify what needs to be purchased, what kinds of recipes are available, help you create a meal schedule. It can also help you plan fitness routines. You can also ask for habit building advice. So the next prompt is all about lifestyle and meal planning. Here I have create a 3-day healthy meal plan for someone who wants to eat a balanced meal, who wants to create a 3-day healthy meal plan for someone who wants to eat balanced meals with high protein and low carbs. So it gives me 1, day 2, and day 3 are broken out by breakfast, lunch, snack, and dinner. So let's do this to push this to the next level, just to show you some of the power. Can you create or generate a meal by meal calorie count for each meal? Let's see if it gives us anything based on not knowing the person's maybe metabolic rate for burning the calories. So here it does give us a table that you can expand or download the day 1 breakfast, lunch, snack, dinner, calorie breakouts for each meal. And I will say, should these be adjusted based on body weight? So it's saying, yes, it should be adjusted based on body weight, activity level. So this is an example that even though I got a response from ChatGPT on how to do something, and it gave me a recommendation, it gave me data, it was necessary for me to use another piece of knowledge that actually I can utilize with that food plan to push it to better understand. So it's actually now giving me general caloric guidelines by weight and goal. So for a 150-pound person or a 200-pound person, what that looks like across this meal plan and the adjustments that would be needed. And I think that's important because not everyone's starting off in the same place with this. Just with self-learning, you may have more experience with a programming language than maybe learning a language, or maybe you have more experience learning languages but less with computers. So you want to make sure if you're using AI that you're beginning to tailor and push your prompts to get the responses and the final outcomes you really want. So it does take a lot of knowledge on the topic itself to best produce the results you need. So those are 10 exciting ways you can use ChatGPT on a daily basis. Hopefully you visit digitalfutureseducation.com, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.